Okay, good day everyone. This is Kiko Javier. Yes, I'll be talking about yung pong ginagamit namin na strategy kung paano po mag-advertise sa Facebook even if you are not around. Okay, so I have discovered this strategy for the past few months and para sa akin ito na po yung isa sa mga pinakamagandang strategy na discover ko in Facebook na kahit na hindi ako naka-online, okay, round the clock po yung aking advertisement sa wall ng aking Facebook account. Okay? So, wow, it's really a blowout, no? So, nararanasan ko po dito na pag open ko na lang ng aking Facebook, puro inquiries na lang po ang nakukuha ko because dire-diretso kasi yung pag-post ng aking mga messages ng advertisements sa wall ko maski hindi naman ako naka-online, no? So, talaga pong napakaganda nito. So, ito po i-share ko sa inyo para magamit din nyo sa inyong mga online business. Okay? Nakatulad ko po, we have a global online program. Okay. So, ganito po lang ho. Ang tawag po doon ay post planner. No? So, ang gagawin natin, open natin yung Facebook account natin. I-type natin dyan sa ating uh, search box yung salitang post planner. Okay, dalawa po yung lalabas dyan. Isang post planner apps, pangalawa post planner, no? So I think this the first one is a fan page, no? So hindi po 'yan ang kukunin natin. Ayan po pages, hindi po 'yan. Sa apps po tayo kukuha. I-click lang po 'yan. Very very easy. This is very easy. This is very elementary. Pero again, katulad ko po, hanggat walang nagsabi sa akin, hindi ko rin ito na-discover. No? Okay, so yun po yung ginagawa ko ngayon. I'm actually sharing this to all of you. And lahat po tayo ay matutulungan nito. Okay, so this is the post planner. Welcome. So, well, these are just the basics. You go down, go to app, click lang po yan. Ang ginagawa po natin is we are installing the application to your Facebook account. Okay? Okay? Then, go here, go to app. Yan po. Okay, another click. Click allow. Permission for post planner. Alright. Ayan na po. Congratulations. That easy. Sobrang easy. Naka-install na po yung post planner sa aking Facebook account. So, we can now start posting anything sa ating profile wall or pwede rin naman po sa page or group, no? If you have a fan page, if you have a group, pwede rin yung i-program, but oops, meron lumabas, may bayad po yan, but you can try the free trial if you want, pwede po yan, pero after the free trial period you have to pay. Okay, but so cancel. Okay, pero for now, since we would like to use it for free, we use the profile. Okay, so dito po, it's basically parehas lang po nung nakikita natin sa ating Facebook profile. Yan lang po, itatype nyo dyan yung gusto nyo sabihin. Okay, so ano ba yung dapat nilalagay natin sa ads natin? So, it's something that should be catchy, okay? Hindi masyadong lengthy para hindi rin sumasakit yung mata ng tumitingin na tao. Gusto lang po natin is something that will catch their attention, a statement, a phrase, okay, or a few words na kung saan pag napatingin sila, they will be urged, no? Para bang iniimbita mo sila na i-click. Okay, so example po, meron lang, magpo-post po tayo ng actual ads. Ito ba? Are you looking for an online home-based business but you are too afraid to start. I have good news for you. Okay, so meron po kasi akong isang website na ginawa. It's about free coaching. Okay, so ganyan lang po kaikli. Then, kukunin ko po yung link. Okay, copy paste, control C, control V. Lalagay ko po dito. And there it is. This is my one-liner or one phrase. Are you looking for an online home-based business but you are too afraid to start? I have good news for you. Can I coach you for free? Then there's the link. Na? Then yung date po, you can change that. I-click lang yan. Pipiliin mo. Pwede mo i-program if you want. But for this example, gusto ko ngayon. And you can change the time, no? But for this example, gusto ko po ngayong time na to. Okay? Gawin natin, yes, 12:05, no? Ayan, 12:10. Sorry. Hindi ko alam kung is it 12:06 na. Okay, then click OK. Gawin na po natin 12:10. Sorry. Alright. Yan, nakaprogram siya at 12:10 p.m. Ipopost siya. Okay, but ito yung gusto natin gawin. I would like to have it repeated every once in a while. Pwede po yung every day. Pwedeng every 2 days, every 3 days, nasa sa inyo po yan. Okay, but I'd like to advise everybody to use this post planner responsibly. Okay, wag po nating samantalahin na halos every hour, meron tayong same post every hour or 3 times a day, which is nagawa ko po in the past, no? Because meron pong mga ibang mga friends ko na na-irritate because ang laman na lang daw ng kanilang wall are my ads, no? So, medyo tansyahin nyo rin po, no? Huwag pong masyadong madalas. Kasi yung ginawa ko po noon, 3 to 4 times a day. Kasi pwede nyo pong i-program yan, ha? Okay, you can just, gawa ka lang ng gawa, iba-ibay mo yung oras, no? Kunyari, mamaya, same ads, gagawin ko naman alas 3. Same ads, gagawin ko alas 7. So, talagang literally, round the clock, pwedeng nag-a-ads yan dire-diretso. You can also put some photos. You can tag a video. Parang parehas din po sa profile wall natin. Okay? Pero for now, ito lang po ang gusto kong palabasin. Then, after that, email me when it posts. Pwede nyo pong i-click yan kung gusto nyo mapuno yung inbox nyo. Or in my case, ayoko po. Then, click plan your post. There it is. Are you looking for an online home-based business? Etc. etc. Can I coach you for free? Alright? Ganyan lang po kasimple. Then you can make use of it. Kung anong gusto nyo ilagay dyan, pwede nyo pang dagdagan. You can program it every day, every other day, every 7 days, etc. Nasa sa inyo po yan. Pwede nyo lagyan ng picture. Okay, so example lang ako. Lagyan natin ng photo. Okay. Then, lagyan natin ng konting, this is the new face of network. Maling spelling. Marketing. Do not be left behind. Okay, very short, simple. Kunin ko ulit yung aking okay. Then click it. Alright, dyan nagpa-program. Oops, meron po akong hindi nasabi kanina, sorry. So, while nandito pa po yung page, if you click this, okay, sorry po ha. If you click this until, okay, ipoprogram nyo po kung hanggang kailan siya magpo-post. Okay, pwede nyo gawing 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, 1 year, bahala po kayo, no? Pero kanina po hindi ko naisama yan. The function of this is kung hanggang kailan kayo magpo-post. No? Although halimbawa nga po, nangyari na yon, you can also edit. Na? Nandito po, modify post, reschedule post. No? Sa halimbawa, gusto ko po itong baguhin. Ayun po, until, okay, gawin natin 1 month. Up to May 18, magpo-post siya. Then done, edited na po yan. Okay? April 18, 12:10 p.m. Repeating every day. Okay, let's say ito rin po. Dahil hindi ko na bago kanina, edit lang natin. Gawin nating 2 months. Okay. Then done. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple. Now you know kung paano po magpaplano or magpo-post ng ads even without you around. No? So this really helped me a lot. Big time, no? As in big time, because there are days na hindi naman po ako palaging online. There are times na meron ako ibang ginagawa, so I cannot do my posts, and this post planner is really working so good for me. Okay, thank you so much again. This is Kiko Javier. They call me Coach. I'm so happy that you found time to even watch this video. I hope this helps. God bless everyone.